So today is August 6th, 2021. Jamaica is celebrating 59 years of independence, but to be honest, I'm not really feeling the independence spirit. I even took it upon myself once more to look at the definition of independence, which means freedom and free from being ruled. But considering what's going on in Jamaica, what have happened in the last 2 weeks, Rasta woman getting her hair cut, and a young man being challenged with freedom of speech, I'm not really feeling the spirit this year. Normally on my social sites, you would see me putting up Happy Independence Day with my Jamaican flags. Not doing it this year. So to all my Jamaican people, yard and abroad, I'm not even gonna wish you a happy independence, but I'm gonna definitely say big up yourself. That's my message for Independence Day this year.